Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add cards in Apple Wallet. So this process is very simple. Make sure to watch this video till the end and you will be able to do it. So first of all, find this application named Wallet. If you are not able to find it, what you can do is just go to the Play Store and download the application called Wallet. And once you open the wallet, just click on it, and from here you can see like Apple Cash or boarding passes, all the details and all the cards that are already added to your Apple Wallet. And if you have not added any of the card, then it will look similar as mine. So from here just click on the plus icon on the upper right corner, and from here, as you can read, like previous cards, apply for Apple Card, add Apple account, debit or credit card, travel card, like it depends on your card. Whatever card you have, you can just click on it. And for me, let's say that I have a debit or credit card, so click on this option, and from here just click on continue. And once you click on continue, you can hold your mobile phone near the card chip and it will automatically scan it. Or what you can do is just click on enter card details manually. And once you click here, you can just enter the name and the card number that is mentioned on the card, or you can just click on scan card with camera, and it will scan your card automatically and fetch all the details. And once you enter the details, just click on next. And once you click on next, it will automatically add your card into your Apple Wallet. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can add your card to the Apple Wallet.